So guys, here's the box and it just arrived from Amazon. So I'll open it with the scissors. And I like this blaster because of its hitman style look, because it's a silence pistol, so it gives kind of a silence pistol theme, and its name is also silence pistol, and its color was also good, and yeah, it looked like a real pistol. So as you can see, it is written Nerf X Fortnite, and this was a collaboration between the Fortnite game and Nerf. I do not play Fortnite game, but I like the game and its colorful theme. So those who play Fortnite can then understand this rifle. I don't play, so I don't understand that much. Here I remove the cover, and here is the bill. So guys, here is the main box, and now I open this also. So this is our gun, SPL Fortnite SP/L, and I think L means legendary. It comes with 6 elite darts with a different color, and these are Fortnite characters. I don't know, detachable barrel. So yeah, this barrel is detachable, so you can remove and put it anytime you want. And on the back, it has some instructions about the gun and other guns in the Fortnite series. This ARL and Mega EG tactical shotgun. So let's open the box. So this is my second Nerf blaster. First was my Disruptor. So I've opened the box, and let's take out the gun. The box is empty, and I ripped off this piece. I'm reckless. So this is our gun, and this is the instruction guide. So it shows the parts of the gun: trigger, slider, barrel, and dart loader area. So you can see we can put the barrel and then rotate it, and this is the sliding mechanism. Then we have to push forward, then shoot and reload the dart. So these are the instructions, and here is our gun, as you can see, and it comes with 6 naturally darts. Already have more than enough. And let's open this barrel first. Oh, it will come out on its own. So this is the barrel, and it's a very bulky looking barrel. As you can see, Fortnite is written here. It's a very bulky looking barrel, and here's the hole, N-Strike hole. And I don't think it will increase the performance. It's just cosmetic, but I like this barrel very much. So a very cool look with orange outer portion. And this is the gun. So let's take out this also. So these are wires. For a pistol it's very big, but I kinda like this gun and its size. So this grip is like army looking. And so let's start with its parts. So now I will show you how to attach barrel. So this is an N-Strike Barrel Lug. So if you have another Nerf barrel you own already, you can put it here. So as in the instruction it said, we have to put this like this. This is my first time putting a barrel. So guys, so I have finally attached the barrel to this gun. So I'll show you how to do this again. So I'll take it out first. So first we have to align the hinges here, as you can see, with the barrel. and do it like this. First you have to push it hard and then rotate it clockwise, and then it is attached, and I don't think then it will fall out of the blaster. So now let's talk about the parts of the gun. So first here you can see it is written Fortnite and Nerf, and here if you can see here it is written shh, because it is a replica of the SPL gun in Fortnite, so I think shh is also written on that gun. And here is a grip. Grip is a very common thing in guns, so its color theme matches with the color here, and it is a texture, as you can see. So it's a very comfortable grip, and it can suit anyone who uses this blaster. And here's a trigger with two holes, and it's a very smooth trigger, so I don't have any issues with the trigger. And here is a button which is just cosmetics. On the back of the gun here it is Fortnite embedded in the yellow, and Nerf also. And here is an unjamming button, so if you have by chance a jam in your gun and a dart is stuck, so you can use a pencil or something pointed to push this button and unprime it and take off the jam. I don't have any jam, so I'll not do it. And on the back there is nothing to point out. Here are screw holes all over the gun, and here is our holographic scope, as you can see through it, as you can see. So here is the iron sight which corresponds with this holographic scope. So it gives a red dot like feel, but it doesn't do anything. It's just for the cosmetics. And here is a uh, back hammer. Oh, here is a back hammer. So this is also just cosmetic, but you can use this to pull the gun and then reload it, but it will be very hard, so you have to just do it manually. But this is a just cosmetic piece, as this black are just contrasting with the gun. So now I'll show you how to shoot it. So I've opened the package of the darts, and here are 6 elite darts. They are just color different, and if you have a pack of Nerf elite darts, you can use those darts in this gun. They are cross compatible, and this is an elite blaster technically with just Fortnite name. So I'll show you how to shoot it. So first you have to open your blaster, and it has 3 round capacity, so you have to shove in 3 darts. So 1, 2, 3, and then you have to shut the door, and then you can shoot. I will show you like this. Then reload again. The bullet comes up itself, and then you have to shove it again. I will show you without barrel. And after you have done shooting a 3 bullets, you have to open it again and then shove 3 darts again. So this is how the gun works. You have to shoot 3 darts, then open, then put the 3 darts, and then again shoot. Its capacity is 3 darts, but it's very fun to put darts like a real actual gun. I think there are some real life guns like this, so it's a very fun way to shove in darts. So I personally like this way of shoving darts, because I have a disruptor, so it's a different kind of feel of loading darts, and this is a different kind of feel of loading darts. So this is the process to shoot the bullets, and now it's time for the firing test of the Nerf Fortnite SPL. So let's go. So guys, let's start the firing demo. So first I'll load 3 darts in here. 1, 2, and 3. So let's start. So I'll load more darts. I have some elite darts already with me, so I'm using them. One more time. I missed. So guys, that's all for the firing demo. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you don't know, that's all for this video. So if you ask about my opinion, I personally liked it very much, and not because of the Fortnite, but really its ergonomics and the the silencer and its shooting style and its reloading style. I very much liked it, and I have not played Fortnite game, but I like it. So that was also my point to buy this gun. So if you don't play Fortnite, don't you worry, this gun is very good, and its price is just a little bit higher because of the Fortnite tag, but overall this is a very good blaster. And if you are a competitive nerfer, you can use this as a sidearm, but I am just a friendly player, so I'll use it at my home. So my personal opinion is good, and if you already own this, comment down below how was your opinion. And you can buy this from Amazon, Flipkart, or any other shopping website. And that's all for the video, and I hope you like the review of this gun, or you can say unboxing. And uh, I give huge thanks to Coop772, from whom I took the inspiration of making this video, and some scenes I took inspiration from him. So shout out and credits to him in the description, and you can check out his YouTube channel. He makes Nerf unboxing videos like this. So I hope you like the video. Subscribe, like the channel. I said ulta keh diya bhai. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.